Hello all and welcome. I'm busy reassembling this beautiful 1980 240 diesel OM616 engine. Here it is. And after doing all my due diligence, this engine is in really good condition, but we had to reseal everything. The guys that rebuilt the engine did the sealing of everything and really badly, and they never replaced the seals at the front and the back, the oil seals. So that's done, fixed, new timing chain, everything. And this morning, trying to start it up, it didn't want to start. And now I have won Dingbat of the Month award, because as you can see, let me just show you. I'm going to turn the engine. Remember, turn these engines clockwise always, otherwise you might reverse a gear on the cam. So I'm just going to turn the engine clockwise, and you will see there's the start of delivery to cylinder 1. Alright, but now when we look at the timing, there's no notch over there. There should be a notch over there showing that we're at top dead center. The other thing that shows us we're not at top dead center is because one of these valves are open or partially open. And when we walk around, we will see that this notch is on the other side of the cam, meaning the pump is 180 degrees out of phase, and that's why I win Dingbat of the Month award. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the pump, turn it 180 degrees, reinstall it, and check the timing again before I try to start it. I'm not going to show that process, but I'll update you afterwards, and hopefully we can get it started. Stick around. Okay, I have the pump removed now, and let me just show you what's supposed to happen. If we remove the collar, let me just get that over there. Remove the collar. This connects the pump to the timing device inside the engine. You will see on this pump, right over there, there is a little mark. Let's try it there. I'm going to try and have it focus. You see, it seems like a tooth is missing. It's not. It's done like that on purpose, so that that can match up with that little mark over there. But that should only happen once the timing is at, let me try to focus here. When the timing is at 24 degrees before top dead center for this engine. Remember, this is the non-turbo 2.4 liter diesel. Now what needs to happen is that this mark needs, the bottom mark needs to line up with that top mark when the engine is at 24 degrees before top dead center. I'm going to do that, reinstall the engine, prime, and see if she starts. Hang around, hang around. Okay, now we will see when I turn the engine, it's coming up on top dead center. So there's the alignment mark for top dead center, which needs to align with that notch over there. So I'm going to bring the engine around, turning it clockwise, always on these OM616 or 617s. And you will see in a moment, I'm going to try focus right there. There we go. So you'll see in a moment that the fluid will start moving in there. That's the start of delivery. I'm turning it slowly, and once we see the fluid move, that indicates the start of the delivery. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Coming up. And there you can see it start to move. Now, it's already pressurized, but let's see where we are right here. So we are just before top dead center here, which means it's already started, and I might have to adjust the timing a bit because it has to start moving at 24. But that's how I installed the pump, but I'll check it with the drip method anyway. Let's see if she starts up once I've primed it. So this is the 240D 1980 OM616 engine, and after I did that setting on the pump and the 42 degrees before top dead center, have a look at this. Now it works quite well.
Now, after all that horrible microphone work and camera work I did on this 240D, maybe we can move on to something better in the next round, which is this one. This is my own 300D with only 138,000 kilometers on, and she has blown head gasket, taking that challenge in the next one. I'll be documenting that, trying to do some better camera work, but do visit us again and keep watching this channel for some more projects I work on and all the things that excite me and hopefully can be informative to you as well. Keep well. Bye bye.